Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline. This panel van comes in the short wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. Power is delivered through a smooth 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the lovely Fortana red metallic paint colour. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights, as well as a set of front parking sensors. Down below, the van sits on a set of 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels which come in a 5-spoke design, as well as having a full-size steel spare wheel. Towards the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate without a window. Helping you park and manoeuvre is a rear view reversing camera paired with a set of rear parking sensors. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the load area of the vehicle, we'll find a fully ply-lined load area, complete with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. Access into the load area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle through a single sliding side load door. A step on the side allows easy access into and out of the vehicle, and there's a full steel black bulkhead separating the load area from the cab. Up front of the driver's cab itself we'll find two singular seats, both with 2 armrests each. The seats come finished in the lovely mesh leatherette upholstery, providing a comfortable feel. In the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system, where you can access all your favourite radio stations or connect your smartphone device using App Connect with apps such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For your comfort, there's 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning, and throughout the cab there's a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T28 Transporter Highline. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.